Johnny Depp and Amber Heard are in court, testifying before a 7-person jury in a defamation trial about the nature of their relationship amid multiple domestic abuse allegations against both actors. For the first time in weeks, though, neither actor will be in court, as Judge Penny Azcarate attends a conference. Here's what to know before they head back. The lawsuit centers around a 2018 op-ed Heard wrote for the Washington Post, titled "I Spoke Out Against Sexual Violence and Faced Our Culture's Wrath." That has to change. In the piece, Heard referred to herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse. The article doesn't mention Depp, who was once the world's highest paid actor, by name, but he claimed it clearly referred to allegations Heard made in other forums, where she claimed to have suffered physical abuse at his hands throughout their relationship and marriage. Depp denied the domestic abuse accusations and filed a $50 million defamation suit against Heard in March 2019. The suit said Depp suffered financial losses because of these allegations, which included being dropped from his lucrative role as Captain Jack Sparrow in the popular Pirates of the Caribbean franchise. Depp's manager, Edward White, eventually testified he believed the actor could have earned an estimated $22.5 million if he had done the movie. Heard filed a motion to dismiss Depp's complaint in April 2019, but then his legal team filed an opposition to that motion shortly after. Heard then countersued her ex-husband for $10 million, alleging he defamed her, when his formal legal team released statements calling her accusations of abuse against Depp a hoax she contrived to advance her acting career. The pair first got together after they co-starred in the 2011 movie The Rum Diary and tied the knot in 2015. They were married for 15 months. Heard filed for divorce in May 2016, and that's when she first brought allegations of domestic abuse against Depp. Their divorce was finalized in 2017, and Heard also issued a domestic violence restraining order against him at that time. In 2020, Depp lost a libel case against the London-based Sun newspaper over headlines that called him a wife-beater. Unlike the United States trial, Heard wasn't a defendant in that case, but she did testify. That trial would set the tone for the current defamation trial taking place in Fairfax County, Virginia, which was chosen as the location because the online edition of the Washington Post is published via servers in that county. Heard's legal team previously pushed to have the trial in California. The trial began on April 11th. According to the Associated Press, the accounts provided to the court by Depp and Heard throughout the last few weeks vary drastically from one another. Depp took the stand first, on April 19th, and claimed Heard defamed him when she published the 2018 op-ed. His legal team also argued Heard was the abusive one in the relationship. He denied Heard's claims that she had been assaulted more than a dozen times by the actor, and Depp said Heard was irate over efforts by his lawyers to have her sign a post-nuptial agreement, as well as the fact that Depp wasn't adhering to pledges of sobriety to Heard's satisfaction. Heard took the stand about 3 weeks later and claimed the first time she was assaulted by the actor was in late 2013, when he allegedly struck her 3 times for laughing at a tattoo referencing his ex-girlfriend Winona Ryder. Both parties recall the worst violence that occurred in their relationship was in 2015, when Depp was in Australia filming for the 5th Pirates of the Caribbean movie. During that time, Heard claimed Depp assaulted her vaginally with a liquor bottle and threatened to carve up her face. Meanwhile, he claimed she cut off a slice of his finger. When the trial resumes on May 16th, Heard won't be done testifying. She'll face cross-examination by Depp's team, and any remaining witnesses will also be called to the stand. The trial is expected to end on May 19th. The jury will then decide whether Heard did defame Depp in that 2018 op-ed and whether he should be awarded damages. For more on this case, head to WTHR.com.